Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Let's unbox the Honor Magic V5 Ultimate Foldable Smartphone. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. As expected, Honor sticks to its signature all-black packaging. Inside, we're looking at the 1TB Dawn Gold variant. Let's set that aside for now. A large 66-watt charging brick, a USB-A to Type-C data cable, SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a protective phone case. The back panel features plain leather, which feels quite premium. The previous generation included a built-in kickstand, which I really liked about Honor's design philosophy. Unfortunately, this version only comes with a basic rear shell, a bit of a letdown. Interestingly, it seems like more brands are ditching those unified accessories these days. OPPO did it first, and now Honor's followed suit. Still, the included back case is thin and lightweight, and the fit feels just right, no complaints. Now onto the star of the show, the phone itself. Wow, the camera module is massive. Did you notice that? It's thick, bold, and impossible to miss. At first glance, this Dawn Gold finish felt a bit over the top, but it's growing on me. There are subtle line textures, not quite like star trails, and the gold leans more toward a deep, dark gold rather than anything flashy. The metal frame has a matte finish, not too glossy, but solid in texture. Still, that camera bump is hard to ignore. Looking at the hinge, it features a triangular design motif, which seems unique to this generation. But here's where things get a little puzzling. Honor packed this phone with a 6100 mAh battery, but only the 1TB variant seems to have it. So, why not include it across the board? Even more confusing, the white version is the lightest and thinnest, but it doesn't use the same material or finish. Apparently, it's based on some aviation-grade tech that isn't applied to other variants. These inconsistencies make me wonder, why not just standardize the specs? Wouldn't that make more sense? In terms of in-hand feel, it's surprisingly well-balanced. Despite the oversized camera module, it doesn't feel top-heavy or awkward. One issue from the previous Magic generation was the inner screen protector bubbling over time, a common complaint among users. Let's hope this version has addressed that. Now, people have been asking, between the Vivo X Fold 5 and this Honor Magic V5, which one is better? Personally, if photography is a priority, neither of these foldables would be my top pick. In that case, consider the OPPO Find N5. But overall, if you're set on a foldable, I think the Honor Magic V5 stands out as a strong contender. That wraps up our quick unboxing. The base variant of the Honor Magic V5 is priced at approximately $1,670 in the US and £162 in the UK. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. A detailed review of the Honor Magic V5 is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to catch it as soon as it drops. And don't forget to follow us on X for the latest tech updates, news, and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and as always, keep smiling.